Hello everyone, hope this video will find you all in a good health. Myself Dr. Parth, and today I will teach you how you can make your own PowerPoint presentation in your mobile Android phone. See guys, everyone is not having a laptop or personal computer at their office or home. So in this video I will give you a tutorial how you can make your PowerPoint presentation in your mobile phone. So guys, this particular topic is useful for medical students, medical professionals as well as non-medical professionals as well. So this is useful for every teacher or student. All right. So guys, first of all, for making a PowerPoint presentation in the mobile, you need one application, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. You can install this application from the Play Store. So first of all, you have to install this application, then you have to open it. Now guys, after opening the application, you have to select this plus icon. Alright. Now you have to choose the theme for your PowerPoint presentation. These are the different themes. Parcel, boot type, etc. like that of themes, Berlin, like that of available. I will use a simple one, that is gallery. Alright. So after selecting the theme, now you can prepare your PowerPoint presentation. So here you have to add a title. You have to double tap your screen to add the title. Alright. So now I'm typing a title. So suppose I am typing fibroadenoma. Alright. So this is a title. Alright. Now guys, uh, suppose you want to increase the size of this font, then you have to select this particular text, and here you have to select a font size. Suppose I am making a font size of 72, so you can see that size has been increased. Now suppose you want to highlight this selected text, then you can make it underline as well from here. Suppose you want to change this as a Italian, so you can change in the Italian shape as well, and you can bold the selected text as well. All right. Now suppose you want to change a font color, then here you can change a font color as well. You can see that here color of font has been changed, that is red color. You can select a different font colors. For example, you can select these all type of font colors according to your need. All right. Now guys, here you can see that you have to add the subtitle. So in the first slide, we need to add a subtitle as well. Usually in the subtitle, everyone is writing their name. So I am writing my name and designation. So my name is Dr. Parth Goswami and I am the MD pathologist. All right. Now guys, now guys, if you want to insert a new slide in this PowerPoint presentation, then you just have to click here. It's very easy to use. So you can see that here you have the new slide. All right. Now first of all, we have to add the title. So suppose I am writing a title, fibroadenoma histopathology, right? So this is the title. Now here in the text, in the below text box, you can insert a text. Suppose I am writing it is a benign breast tumor. Then I am writing it is of two type, right? Now suppose guys you want to change the color or increase the size, then you can do it from here. Here you can increase the size or decrease the size of font. Here you can change a color of font. All right. Now guys, suppose you want to change the layout of this whole slide, then you can change the layout from here with the to content, with a comparison, with the title only, section header, etc. like that of layout can be selected. Suppose I am selecting this particular layout, then you can see that here we have the two section bar for comparison. So in this way you can change the layout as well. Now I will go back to the original format. All right. Now guys, suppose you want to add a image in this particular slide. Suppose you want to add picture, then you can select it from here. You just have to click here. Here you have the option of insert picture. Now whenever you select this insert picture, your gallery will be opened, from which I will select this particular slide. Now guys, this PowerPoint application has a very beautiful function of doing the cropping of image. From here you can crop the image as well. Alright, after confirming you have to press done so that you can see that image has been inserted to your particular slide. Now you can change the location of the image in your whole slide according to your need just by clicking on this image. Alright. Now guys, as like that of you are preparing the PowerPoint presentation in the laptop, you can add a different shades and the grade as well. For example, here you can add a different shadows, outer and inner shadows can be add. Alright, here you can add a reflection variant as well. Suppose I am selecting this particular reflection variant, then you can see that image reflection is visible here. So this is a very beautiful function of this PowerPoint application. You can add reflection variation in the image as well. Alright, now suppose if you want to add a border in this particular image, then from here you can add a different style. Here you can see that border has been appeared just by clicking on this particular style. Suppose you want to select this border, then you can see that here there is a thick black border. So in this way you can add a different image style as well. Alright, now guys, here from this icon you can insert a different tables and the shape, audio, text box, link, smart art, etc. This is a very beautiful function of this Microsoft PowerPoint application. Suppose I am inserting a table from here, then just you can see that we have the table here, right? Here you can reverse the image of, you can undo the function as well. Alright. Alright, so now guys, now friends, suppose I want to insert a picture, then picture can be inserted from here as well. You can insert picture from this icon as well. So we have the two different options for adding the picture. You can add a particular video in your PowerPoint slide as well by pressing this icon. You can insert particular audio as well if you have it in your mobile. Alright, you can add a different shape as well. Here you can see that we have the different shapes. You can add a line, you can add an arrow as well. Suppose I am selecting this particular arrow, then here you can see that it has been appeared here. Now I can change the position of arrow as well. Now guys, you can change a shape style and you can fill the color as well in the particular picture and the arrow. Suppose I'm pressing over this arrow and now I can fill the different colors. I can choose a different colors from here. Suppose I'm selecting this, then you can see that color has been changed to a red color. Now suppose I'm selecting it as a black, then you can see that color has been changed. Alright, now you can change the outline of the particular shape as well. Here you can add a black, red, etc. like that of colors outline according to your need. Alright, now guys, here we have the design option as well. You can choose a theme or format background from here as well. You can choose a different themes from this icon as well. You can format the background as well. Here you can see that background has been changed, so you can change the background according to your need. You can see that I am changing a different background, so that can be changed. All right, now guys, this is a very important function of the PowerPoint presentation for which we are using a PPT. You can add an animation in this particular application like that of computer. In the computer PowerPoint software we can add animation, but here also we have option of adding the animation. Suppose I am adding entrance effect, then here we have the all animation option like that of computer, appear, blinds, fly in, etc. You can choose animation according to your need. Here you can see that animation has been appeared. You can customize the animation according to your need, so here we have the animation option. All right, now guys, I forget to tell you one thing, that here in the insert option you can add a text box. So here you can see that text box has been appeared. Now guys, here I write down something in the text box, and now I can change the color of this written text as well. So guys, I have changed the color of this written text in the box by pressing on this icon, as you can see it here. All right, now guys, we have the smart art option as well here in this particular application. Suppose I am pressing the insert, and then by clicking on the insert we have the one option of smart art. And guys, you can choose a different location for the text box according to your convenience. You can change the location of this particular text box, right? And guys, suppose in this text box you want to add a different color, then here you can add a color as well. You can choose a appropriate color according to your need. So here you can see that by clicking on this black colored, we have the black color in the text box. We can add a light color as well if it is your requirement, right? All right, so guys, this is all about how you can prepare your beautiful PowerPoint presentation. Now guys, after preparing a PowerPoint presentation, by clicking here you can save your PowerPoint presentation. You can see that here we have the save option. So we have to save the PowerPoint presentation. If your internet is on, then you can rename the file as well. My internet is off, so I cannot rename the file. So it will be saved as an presentation 2. So I am saving this particular presentation. And now I will press the back button of my mobile. Alright. So here you can see that we have a saved PowerPoint presentation that is named as presentation 2. My all other PowerPoint presentation are seen here. Alright. Now I will open this particular PowerPoint presentation, and just by clicking this icon you can start a slideshow. Suppose I am pressing this particular icon. So here you can see that PowerPoint has been started. Alright. You might have seen that here flying animation effect has also been there. So guys, this is all about how you can prepare your PowerPoint presentation in your mobile phone. If you find this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I'm posting the new video. Thank you very much guys. And this is not a video for medical student only. This is useful for all. So hope you will enjoy this video and you will utilize it in preparing your PowerPoint presentation. Thank you very much, and see you soon with a next video. Thank you very much. Till then, take care and bye bye.